Hi guys, I'm back with a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to make this low calorie, healthy, high protein chicken shawarma wrap. It's absolutely gigantic. It's humongous, it's high in protein, and once you try it, you'll never want to step foot into a kebab house again. So let's go. Right guys, we're going to need about 150 grams of chicken, 50 grams of ham of your choice, lettuce, red cabbage, shredded carrot, onion, tomato, lemon, a tortilla wrap and some low-fat Greek yogurt. And for our spices we'll need chili flakes, cinnamon, cumin, turmeric, spicy paprika, garlic powder, black pepper, smoked paprika, mint leaves, salt and some low-calorie chili sauce. Take your chicken and finely slice it. I use this technique where I constantly make thin half slices like this. Now for our secret doner meat, we're going to use 50 grams of ham and we're going to finely slice it and unravel the pieces and then add them to the bowl like so. To create our shawarma meat, we're going to add half a lemon juice and then we're going to take our spices from earlier. Remember these? Okay, excellent. Right. In no particular order, we're going to add garlic, chili flakes, smoked paprika, cinnamon, black pepper, cumin, spicy paprika, turmeric and salt. We dive in with our hands and fully incorporate everything until the meat is fully covered in the shawarma seasoning mix and send to the fridge. For the yogurt sauce, we add 80 grams of low-fat Greek yogurt, garlic, mint leaves and salt, and then we mix all of that together. Then while we cook our shawarma and doner meat, we put our sauce in the freezer. This will give an extra cool sensation to balance the spicy sauce. So we add our meat to a preheated pan and we constantly stir for approximately 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we're going to prepare the salad. I prepared tomatoes and onions and I use a mixed salad containing red cabbage and shredded carrots with some lettuce. Take all of this out and put it to the side. After approximately 10 minutes, our meat has finished cooking. We can see most of the juices have evaporated and take a look at this doner meat. Oh my goodness, absolutely sensational. Look at that. Pure shawarma doner meat. Amazing. So we take our meat away and then we're going to start preparing our wrap. To a tortilla, we're going to add our shawarma chicken and our doner meat. We're going to add tomatoes, onions, our salad mix of red cabbage, lettuce and shredded carrot. And I like it spicy, so I'm going to add this low-calorie chili sauce. Look at that, 14 calories in a bottle, about 1 calorie here. I'm going to add my Greek yogurt mix and now I'm going to start to roll. It's very important to constantly tuck in using your fingers, trying to roll as tight as possible like now this. You could use a normal pan to toast this, however for the video I need that nice aesthetic look. What we end up with is a meal under 500 calories. It's got 57 grams of protein, 8 grams of fat, 47 grams of carb. And on top of all that, it's absolutely delicious. So there you have it people, our low calorie, high protein chicken shawarma and doner wrap. Absolutely incredible. I'm going to give it a taste test. Oh my goodness, look at the size of this. Oh my goodness. Take a look at that. The meat tastes amazing, the marinated chicken and doner meat that we made. And it's perfectly complemented by the crunchy salad. Absolutely sensational. It's hard to believe that something that's healthy like this tastes that good. So guys, whether you're a fitness enthusiast or maybe you just want to lose a little bit of weight, this high protein chicken shawarma doner wrap will not let you down. If you like the videos for today, please like and subscribe. I'll be uploading many more recipe videos soon. That's all for today folks. Thank you. Bye bye.